Slip ring induction motors, powering up your industrial needs. Slip ring induction motors, also known as wound-rotor motors, are a workhorse in the industrial world. They excel at providing high starting torque and variable speed control, making them ideal for applications demanding robust operation. Here is a breakdown of the key points. High starting torque and variable speed. These motors deliver exceptional starting power, perfect for overcoming high inertia loads during startup. Additionally, their speed can be adjusted to match application requirements. Controlled starting current. By using external resistance in the rotor circuit, slip ring motors minimize the current surge during startup, reducing strain on the electrical system. Durability and reliability. Built for tough industrial environments, these motors offer dependable operation with features like low noise and vibration. Applications. Commonly found in elevators, compressors, cranes, conveyors, and hoists, slip ring motors are essential for powering various industrial applications. Slip rings. These ingenious components are the secret sauce. They transfer electrical power to the rotating rotor windings, enabling the motor to function. Slip explained. The difference between the rotor's speed and the stator's magnetic field is termed slip. This plays a crucial role in generating torque. Advantages. Beyond the highlighted features, slip ring motors boast high efficiency, energy savings, and convenient maintenance. Beyond industrial use, their versatility extends beyond heavy-duty applications. You'll find them powering equipment like ball mills, fans, water pumps, and more. Limitations. While powerful, slip ring motors require more maintenance due to brushes and slip rings. They may also have lower efficiency compared to some motor types. In conclusion, slip ring induction motors are a compelling choice for industrial applications that demand high starting torque, variable speed control, and robust operation. Their ability to handle demanding workloads makes them a reliable partner for powering various machinery.